I, JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur, Program BCom Honors 4th Sem, Course Quantitative Technique, and session of today is how to solve the system of linear equation with the help of matrices. So here these are the system of linear equations. There is three equations given here. With the help of these three equations, you have to find the solution of the system of these equations with the help of matrix method. So there is three equations, and prepare the matrix of the coefficient of every variables. So first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 9. So its coefficient is 1 1 1, and second is 2x plus 5y plus 7z, coefficient is 2 5 and 7, and similarly third one 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So coefficient is equal to 2 1 minus 1, and one matrix x is equal to x y z, that is unknown, which has to be found, and B matrix is the constant value at the right hand side 9 52 and 0. So this is the matrix Ax is equal to B. This system is nothing but it is Ax is equal to B. Then x is equal to A minus A inverse B. A transferred to right hand side and it become A inverse. So here our objective is to find the A inverse. So matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 2 5 7 2 1 minus 1, and we have to find x is equal to A inverse B. So in order to get A inverse B, first of all we have to find the A inverse, and in order to find the A inverse, first of all we have to solve determinant of A. Here determinant of A, after expanding we get the value of determinant A is equal to minus 4, that is does not is equal to 0, hence matrix is inversible. Find the all cofactors of every element of A. Suppose A11 cofactor is equal to 5 minus 5 7 1 1 1 minus 1, and after solving it gets minus 12. A12, that is negative place, negative sign before the cofactors, so 2 2 7 minus 1, and similarly 1 3, it is positive, it is because A13 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, that is the even place, so it is positive 2 2 5 1. So in order to this find the all cofactors, 9 cofactors here. 2 1 is equal to minus, it is because 2 1 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, it is odd place, so minus sign will be imposed before the determinant of remaining value, that is except column and row of A to 1, and similarly 9 cofactors you can find here. So with the help of this cofactors we have to write the cofactor at the place of respective where the value of A11 A12 A13, then transposing the matrix, and after transposing we get minus 12 16 minus 8 2 minus 3 1 2 minus 5, 5. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. So value of adjoint is the matrix in front of you upon determinant A. Value of determinant A is equal to minus 4. So it can be expressed minus 1 by 4 into this adjoint matrix. So this is the inverse matrix. Uh, Now we have to find x is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse multiplied with B. So B is 952, 0. So multiplying this, minus 12 is multiplied with 9, 2 is 12, and again 2 is with 0. It is this value on the first place. Similarly, 16 into 9 minus 3 into 52 minus 5 into 0, it is on second place. And minus 8 into 9, 1 into 52, 3 into 0, it is third place. And minus 1 by 4 before the matrix, and dividing all element with the minus 4, and we get finally 135. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5. This is the solution of this system of linear equation. Here value of x will be 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. Similarly, the second system of linear equation is equal to 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. So system of equation is the type of ax is equal to b, then x is equal to A inverse b. So A is the matrix of coefficient of all element, that will be the 2 minus 1 3, 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. X is equal to x y z, and b is equal to the column column matrix by the constant at the right hand side. So x is equal to A inverse b. In order to finding the A inverse B, first of all we have to find the A inverse. In order to get A inverse, first of all we have to find the determinant value of A. Determinant value, after expanding this matrix, we get the value is minus 2. So this matrix is inversible. If value does not is equal to 0, then inverse can be calculated. So find the all cofactor at the A11. A11 means the A11, 1 plus 1 is equal to positive, मतलब even place, and matrix determinant will be 1 1 minus 1 1. After solving this, expanding this 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, that will be plus 2. Similarly, A12, A13, all 9 cofactors can be calculated. The same procedure applying here, and putting these value at the place of A11, A12, A13, then transposing the matrix, and after transposing the matrix you get 2 minus 2 minus 4, 0 minus 1 1, minus 2 1 3, and it is the value of adjoint of matrix A, and dividing by the value of determinant A, it become the minus 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 minus 4, 0 minus 1 1, minus 2 1 3. Now A, putting these value in the equation, x is equal to A inverse B, x is equal to x y z, and A inverse into B, multiplying with B. B is the column matrix, so value of A is minus 1 by 2, and 2 minus 2 minus 4, 0 minus 1 1, minus 2 1 3, and 9 6 2, and multiplying 2 with minus 2 with 9, minus 2 with 6, minus 4 with 2. and adding, we get the value. Again, next row is multiplied with column, so it gives 0 into 9 minus 1 into 6 plus 1 1 into 2, it become minus 4. And similarly third one is the minus 2 into 9, 1 into 6 and 3 into 2, it gives the uh, uh, value minus 6. So divided by minus 2 all values, we get the 1 2 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So these are the system of linear equation. First of all, we have to write the matrix of the coefficient, then right hand side column matrix B, and finding the um, x, it become x is equal to A inverse V, then find the A inverse, and after finding A inverse you have to multiply with this B and you get the solution of the system of linear equation. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you.